As mentioned, you have three options with your material dispensers in 31, 40, and 55-inch working widths. Each material dispenser comes with a scale that's graduated in both inches and centimeters that you can use in conjunction with your strip cutter that is supplied. You're supplied with one strip cutter with each material dispenser that enables you to be able to not only cut your lengths using your inch counter that attaches to your bar here, but also to cut your widths. We'll demonstrate that here in a minute on how you can put that into place to be able to do a multi-function cut at one time. So we have this roll set up to where as this is feeding through and going to your material dispenser, that you are seeing the bottom of the material, the inside, the paste side of the material. You can also reverse this, spin it over, feed it in to where it goes underneath this front roller and turns back around so that you can also see the pattern as you're pulling it through and be able to not only use your inch counter, which is very accurate, but also be able to visualize the pattern, see the pattern as you're cutting to just make sure you're accurate in each of your cuts. So how we have this set up today, this is your 41-inch working width GAU 109. This is set up, as I said, on a folding stand that is available as a separate accessory for the dispenser. And we also have it set up right now with an inch counter, which is also a separate counter, a separate accessory. Supplied with your dispenser is your strip cutter. This enables you to be able to set this on using your scale, pushing your material completely over to 0 on one side, and then setting this using the same bar that your inch counter attaches to at a specific width, a specific location using your scale. And as you're pulling this material through, it's going to cut your width as well as your length. So to use your strip cutter, the first thing you want to do is go ahead, loosen your thumb screw, pull your blade, and go ahead and lock it into that position where it is going to cut into your material. You're going to mount this on your rail, sliding it into the length, the width that you're going to want it at. You have a graduation in inches, in quarters, so we can go to any place in between our settings, and we're going to go ahead and pull up on this rod and tighten down on the wing nut so that as I release that, the blade is pushing into the material as you're pulling it through. Once your roll is positioned onto your rollers, you have a collet right here with a set screw that goes ahead, butts up against your material and tightens down. This is going to keep you at that position as you're pulling your material through your dispenser. With your inch counter set in place, your strip cutter mounted, you're now ready to go ahead and pull your material to your specified length, and you can also cut your width at the same time.